Sio mwancho murigeria mujumbe wense mwe bunge abonchari Mheshimiwa Charles Nchoke niko bona ara omusangirikano bukubotoka chibasari ocha sabari kwa bonsi bechi secondary chi college mo university HBS ichisa ine chilingi chimilioni 52 na isato iri kubasira abaroki wabo erinde banyare ko bakwegenderia abaroki bari barase chi college ne university niko bona barache kwa nyorobo konyi bwe chibesa chilingi chiribuisano na isato ne chimisano asiganya ariko bagakusaba abana inchi kurwase bunge yaye kweneke abunanko mwabareri baga atebira somo chandora chikotoka banyare ko babago kwandra asubwancha ni muri kitu ikliforenge agotomanya senchero bwekera
Buri nchira yemo yogosira chisemi cyabana bansemo yabunge yabonchali bono nigo yabunge yuma ska Charles Nchoke batokora chiringi chimilioni 52 na isato gochia basi aboroki yabunge yo elinde basome.
So most important thing in our lives, education of our children. We've been able to get an allocation of 73 million Kenya shillings for Bonchari this financial year for purposes of supporting our students in learning. But our policy is that every child from here Bonchari is eligible to get money to be supported for the education wherever they are learning, so long as it's here within the country and it's an institution that is recognized by the relevant authorities of recognizing this institution. There will be fewer problems, we'll be having better performance. All I want is our number. The intake university, una mosike wera ligo kwanera no mosike nyarigoti. Abana baitwara baswele university ko mataba for last year about 50%. We can do better. Check it school. By this week, enough textbooks so to lakini kwa mtaasari kero mwana kiangiro kero mwana obonchali wasomanda onsi koja kanyare eteki yae
Kako kwa na somo sangirikano yokora kana se skuru ya secondary ya Igonga nigo mujumbe Charles Nchoke asingerabu na chisemi nigo chirichingia asokoro isege sakku nabarayibankyo abo asaba aborkiga banene beche skuru koba abana libagalinde basome libagali ko basele gochia asinka cyabo ekyana nakege kogera beterwa na masomo.
I know from last week since schools reopened there might be a number of students who've been affected because they've lacked fees to go back to school. I'm appealing to the principals here present and elsewhere that the checks are underway because when the child stays out for 3 days, is never compensated. They can already fine for staying out for 3 days. Allow them back in school.
Nigabe kabene buna aboroki go bali bagosoma University College nigo baraje konyoro gosira gwe kipase le chiringi chiribu isano nesato ne chimisano ele ko baguswelia egrubo ye school fees yabo.
Ana bonse basoma University College. Kora mu bori ko mono abana basoma University College kero mwana aja kwenye chiribu isano soto neti misano kero mwana oyo
abaiboli aborokia amona aborokiwa bonsi nigo bakira bunambye mono ase ogoikirana asomo sangirikano yo abwasaba bonsi bamwachinga kicinyororo elinda akore mirimo yaye kende gyonsi kirikira chebobe batebanie no bwororo
abaiboli baminto na abana baminto na barayi bakirega. I just want to thank you very, very much. Also, with the Seno, with your one ring with your water is swally to the Quanega, you got to us and Mora. Our Navajo University last year were about 50%. We can do better. What we do with the remaining 50%, that's a big number. To enter water, you can sing to the Gokora. Madam, this is in Kawanda Gokora. Our link to the Gokora. Our link to the Gokora. This and I'm here. Our MC never saw my very American Yaraguch. So, in any case, I think I took one and you have to point a leg into Nevin and Kong. Oh, no, it's only one and no Mogako.
Wono nigo yatigera sabura kwa bonsi ko ganda okromo kia sama somabo elinde bachikoba abantu bengencho asama tukaribosio ngoripotire Soko TV kuro Igonga ensemo yebunge ya Bonchari county ya Kisii.